Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Julianna. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this makeup look. It literally takes me 10 minutes and it is so fast. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and let's get on into the video. So I start with my face. So I don't use any primers or anything. I feel like if I don't use all those extra products, my makeup routine is faster. So I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Sure Skin But Better CC Cream and Fair Light. I use a beauty blender. I don't wet it or anything. I just put my foundation on it and blend it into my skin. This is pretty full coverage in my opinion. After I do my foundation, I'll do my concealer. I have this Morphe concealer. It is in light. It's in a light shade. And I'll just put this underneath my eyes to cover up the dark circles. Then I'll use a powder. And I've been using these loose leaf powders. So I have the Cover FX powder, and I have been using this one religiously. And I have this Real Techniques brush that I blend it in with. I'll just put a little bit in the cap and blend that all over my face. Confusing how you could be so close but still so out of reach. Then I will use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This has 3 shades of powder and 3 shades of bronzer. I always use this middle shade of bronzer. It's just like the medium bronzer, and as you can see, I use it every day. That's why it is hit pan. So I just kind of contour. After I do bronzer, of course you gotta do blush. So I have the NARS blush in Orgasm X. I love it. It's a bright pink color. And I'll just put this on my cheekbones. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose too. And then literally that's my face. Sometimes I'll add like highlighter. But now for eyes, I'm just gonna do 1 shade of eyeshadow. I don't do any crazy eyeshadow looks. So I have this palette. This is the Truth or Bear from Morphe. And I just use like this color right here. It's like a brown, like shimmery color. I just put it all over my lid. And then I'll do some eyeliner. So I love liquid eyeliner. It's my go-to. So I will take this, oh my goodness, where is it? Okay. This L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Superstar Liner. Love this stuff. It goes on so well. I'll do some mascara. I love the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal, and this mascara is really good. It makes my lashes look super long, so I'll put that on. I don't use lash extensions or anything, or like false lashes, just because my lashes are already really long naturally, so I'll literally just like use my natural lashes. Lastly, can't you tell my eyes are super blue? Lastly, I will do a lip color. So normally I'll just do like a basic lip color. I have this like NYX lip lingerie, and this one is in Liply. It's just like a nude color. I'm just gonna do this. Go grab an actual lipstick, so hold that thought. Then I'll use this shade. It's a little bit darker, but it'll go over this like nude shade to give it a little bit of color. And that is my makeup. So it took me literally like 10 minutes to do. It didn't even take me like that long. My makeup takes me so fast. I love this makeup look. I do it every single day if I wear makeup. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe down below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.